Hi guys, today we have a problem. In this problem, we have uh, we have to solve this problem, which is known as Excel sheet column number. So, as we know that in Excel sheet, each column is represented as A, B, C, and it is represented by one, and B is represented at two, C is represented at two, as we can see in Excel sheet. So I'm just taking the fresh one. So as we can see here, A, B, suppose if I am representing A as 1, B as 2, C as 3, and D as 4, so on. So we have to find it like what will be the value of AB, what will be the value of ZY in this. So the simple approach is that uh, so suppose I have to find the value of AB. What is AB? The row number is to be AB. So as we can see there, for 0th place to 1 place, it is increasing exponential in the power of 26. So I am just saying I am getting something in the power of 0. Here I am getting 26 to the power 0, and here I am getting 26 to the power 1. So it will move like this on, and so on. Okay, so in order to find this problem, we have to multiply this power with the value. We have to multiply with the value of character. Okay, so we have to do same here also, multiply with the value of character. So for this, what we will gonna get, we are having 26 to the power 0, so we will get 1 here, and we have to multiply b as 2, and so we will get 2 here, and here we will get 26 to the power 1, which is equal to 26, and we have to multiply with the value of a, which is 1. So the total value, like the answer of AB, we will get 26 plus 2, which is uh, equal to 28. So as we can see, we are getting AB value as 28. So the simple logic is it is running in the power of 26. For that I am simply traversing it. For that, first of all, I take L, which is length equal to S, and I just decrease it by 1, so that suppose I because it is indexing as 0, so Z will represent at 0. Suppose the length of this one is 2, and L is here used for power only. So the if Z is 2, so the power gonna be, for Y we will use the power 0, and Z we will gonna use 1. So Y ka power is 0 and Z ka power is 1. For that I just decrease by 1, and after that column number is the answer here. What is gonna be the answer of this S? And now I'm taking the index is used for moving from left to right. So simply in its towers, I am calculating the 26 to the power L, what is the power here, and after that this one is used for finding out the value of that character. So as of index will give us that character, and after that I am minusing with ORD of A. suppose s of a, suppose I'm getting s of index a as 1, so ord of a is 26 here, and ord of a is 26 here, so it will cancel out, and 1 will give the original value of a, so the value of a is 1. If I'm going for b, suppose as of index is b and ord of b, we will get what, 20, we will get 27. So ord of a is 26, so 26, 26 minus 27 minus 26, we will get 1, and 1 will be gonna add it, which is equal to 2. So we are getting the value of b equal to 2. So on we are calculating all these values and store in the column number, and return it back. Hope if you have any problem, please comment it down. I'm just running it, so I think it has to work fine. No, it is accepted. Thank you guys.